Hey everyone, and welcome to Academy of Mine. Today we're going to learn how to create assignments in the LMS. Assignments are a type of writing prompt that you assign to students in the LMS for them to respond to. By default, students can respond to assignments by writing their answers in a text box. However, if you didn't want students to respond to an assignment this way, you could have them respond by uploading a document, PDF, video, or other files. Using assignments in a course is a great way to challenge learners by giving them writing prompts to respond to using their own thought process. Even better, grading assignments can help instructors and managers reporting on training understand how well their students know the material in the course, especially since the most common type of assignment requires a student's written response. And what your assignment prompt consists of is completely up to you. An assignment could just ask students one question, or it could be more like an essay and a research assignment that takes days for students to complete and is worth much more points in the grading system. And the difference between an assignment and a discussion board is when a student responds to an assignment that goes directly to an instructor to grade, whereas a discussion board, the answer of a student is posted publicly in a discussion forum in addition to notifying the instructor. With that being said, let's jump right into the Academy of Mine LMS and show you how to create assignments. All right, so first, of course, you have to log into the LMS, and then inside your admin dashboard, you go over here on the sidebar to courses, then you want to click on assignments, and let's click create assignment. Starting off, let's name this assignment. And let's say this assignment is some continuing medical education for physical therapists and trainers. So we're going to name this assignment Understanding the Body's Muscle Groups. After you name the assignment, this is where you would write the description for the assignment, basically telling students what they're to do. So your writing prompt, your questions, etc. I just went ahead and filled it out pretty quickly. And while you're writing this, you can mess with the different adjustments up here in the text editor. For instance, you can put like a line separator, you can use hyperlink, you can change the alignments and use different indentations. Of course, you can change the text size, text font, text color, underline, italicize, bold. You can use the formatting if you want to use headers 1 through 6 for a very clean design. It's really just adjust the fonts, but there's a theme involved. And then really, if you wanted to take it a step further and super duper customize this, and you knew HTML, you could use HTML right here. All right, so after you're happy with the description, it's time to define how many total points the assignment is worth. And let's say this assignment is worth 50 points, and maybe, this is one of 10 assignments in a course, and each assignment is worth the same amount of points. So basically, this assignment is worth 10% of a student's grade. So we're gonna go to put 50 points on this. Last step, you just need to choose this submission option, which is basically defining how you want a student to submit the assignment. So if you just wanted them to write in the text area to answer the assignment, then you could click the first option. But if you preferred them to upload files like a Microsoft Word document, PowerPoint, Excel sheet, image, PDF, and other types of files, you can click the second option here. For this assignment, let's just use the text area for submissions. So let's click on the first option. After all said and done, make sure you go ahead and save the module. Now we're gonna go into courses and edit the course we wanna add this assignment to. We're gonna add the assignment into the curriculum. Now you should remember what you called the assignment. You can search that here. And once we add the assignment into the curriculum, I'm just gonna move this module up to the very starting of the course so I can go in there as a student and check it out very quickly. And now we're gonna look to see how this assignment actually looks from the student's point of view. And now if I switch back as an admin, I can see I have some pending submissions. One of these was older. One of these, as you can see, was from right now. And I can come in here, read the student's assignment submission, grade their assignment, and they'll be notified whatever grade I give them. Of course, if you ever want to edit a particular assignment, you can do so the same way that we created an assignment. Once you go to assignments, you can just edit current ones, create new ones, and the way that an assignment works, if you're using the submission option, upload files as opposed to text area, is the same way. You'll just download students' files that they upload to grade the assignment. So thank you very much, guys. Really hope this helps you increase the effectiveness of your training programs using Academy of Mine LMS, and I'll see you guys shortly. Make sure to subscribe too.